It was a nice little drop right there.
Yeah, guys, right before this, we literally, I guess we're not even going to talk to you guys directly. We're just going to be on here like we normally are. So it's not like we're
we're going to do this.
So you guys are going to be able to just watch us like we're just sitting here. But yeah, you see, it was just, this is on the 1 minute candle. You can see, or the 1 minute dropped pretty hard. 5 minute just dropped super quickly. Like we were negative 50 like 2 minutes ago.
And if you look here, we had this zone forming on like the 5 and the 15, and it slightly broke out a bit ago, but only with the wick. So the bulls couldn't even hold the strength up there.
And guys,
Same thing on the 30.
I'm also watching the charts over here on my other computer. So if you see me looking over there, that's what I'm doing.
And see this thing come back down at least and retest this range right here. I mean, let's zoom out here. Yeah, you see here, I mean, it was consolidating for 2 straight fucking days, and finally we've seen a breakout. Here's the previous daily low right here around 1773.65. Pretty much not long after opening, we broke down on that, so we're definitely seeing a nice downtrend forming here. And I don't have it set up now, but you can kind of see, like, if we draw down here at a diagonal, it's been respecting. If we draw down here, it's been respecting.
Like maybe 40. I think like 46 or 47, I think. We got to just see if it'll break down into that lower zone again. Maybe retest up 64 or so.
Yeah, based on these ranges it's been forming, we could definitely see it come down to, at this point, if it happens today, we could come down to like the 30s. But I don't think this is going to happen all within one day. This is a weekly chart that we're looking at here, so the next couple of weeks, come down, retest this bottom. What we're looking for in the long term is a breakout either direction. This is technically a bullish flag, so slight pullback coming down here. There's also this surge zone right here around 1680. So we'll see what happens in the upcoming weeks. That's super long term though. Right now we're just scalping these charts.
Yeah, hitting this little range on the 15 right now. The top of it, kind of the previous range.
Yeah, like right here.
I mean, it jumped up hard, but then jumped down hard. It's like, where is it gonna go now? But this profit
like engulfed it.
Isn't really enough, but we don't want it to go, obviously, the other way either. Gotta just see if it.
Yeah, we can always re-enter. So we got 12 minutes until the next 15 and 30 closes, as well as the hour candle. Right now, looking at those, we're at the bottom of this overall trend. We've been holding this bottom range here, so could see this thing come up. Might not be a bad idea to just lock this in quick. Yeah, because you can even see here at the bottom of the 5, it's holding. We got the 21-day moving average. It's kind of respecting right here. But also then if we go to the higher time frame, it's respecting the 21-day moving average to the downside. So came up and retested it perfectly on that wick.
Yeah, if it breaks 1766.5, that's definitely looks like a good sign.
Definitely came down, at least on the short-term frames. It's tested a zone here, bottom over here, and then even the tops right here. Yeah. This is definitely a key area right here. Like you said, if it breaks like 66.5, we're on the downside. We're in pretty good shape. If it breaks back up above 67.53 zone, which is the previous daily low. Actually, no, that's not the previous daily low.
Yeah.
It's the daily low from the 23rd or the 26th.
Yeah, I wish you guys saw that drop that happened. It was pretty nuts on the one.
Yeah, it was a pretty big candle.
Yeah, from going negative 50 to up like 130 is pretty nice.
Give these markets time to settle a little bit.
You guys, it was probably like 5-10 minutes we were gone, but kind of retested up a little bit, about 5,000 pips, guys.
Yeah, I'm liking this. So this little range we're seeing right here, it's definitely resisting this right now. Are you literally gonna put? You can't put this in there. But yeah, what we're looking for right here is basically for this to hold, for this to break back down and retest. Definitely a range here on the 30 that we're at. Long wick here as it's starting to fill it up. Same thing here. We're at a pretty significant zone right here. Yeah, gold hasn't been this low since 420. Then you see what happened right after that. After 420, look what happened. Gold got high as shit on 420. Was like off to the moon.
What the hell? This shit just spiked up for a second and came back down. This is sketch.
Yeah, might just look at the lock-in profits here until we get more confirmation on where it's going to go. This would be kind of considered like consolidation, what I would call almost like a do not trade zone. So definitely want to see a breakout in either direction, but preferably towards the downside for sure. At the very least, we're looking to retest down here, but we'll see what happens in the next. We got 3 minutes until the next.
I think there's about to be a decent little drop real quick.
Yeah, let's see what happens in 3 minutes. How's the hour forming? Because we're about to form an hour candle. Let's take a look.
Yep. I'm watching like 15s and 5s over here as well, guys. So
hours resisted there. Yeah, so we'll give it a little bit, see what happens here, guys. Been in this trade now since about this point here. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 14 minutes we've been in this trade, up a little over $100 right now. Nothing crazy. See what happens here in the next few minutes.
I was just suspecting a drop. You guys heard that like 2 minutes ago. I'm an alien.
You're gonna make me spit my coffee on my computer. I'm an alien.
What did I tell you? Oh damn! It hit the bottom of that zone again. You guys can see.
Let's give it a minute. See if it breaks here. We've got.
Oh, I can annotate. And I can remove it like you see. See right there. Did that show up on your screen?
Yeah.
See that little line? It broke. I can clear it. See, it broke this little line here. I literally called this like 5 minutes ago, but it did hit now bottom of a 5 minute zone. Little.
Yeah, this zone is choppy as hell because now we have a zone here and another zone down here.
Yeah.
We could probably just lock this in here in a second because this is choppy as fuck. We got 1 minute until the next.
Yeah, it's hitting the bottom of 7 15-minute candles now.
Dang, look at that wick on this 30. Maybe lock this in, man. It's in this range here. Here's the new hour forming. Let's see. Hour is starting off red. Let's see what happens. And like we were saying, coming right back down to this area here. Going to retest the 1765 zone. We'll probably take profits here and look for a breakout here. Pretty nice trade here. About 15 minutes. All right. I say we lock in. You cool?
Yeah. I think this isn't bad.
All right, bam. All right. Just locked it in.
226 real quick, guys.
As you can see here, guys, 228 in profits. Over here, hopped in at 1440. This is military time, obviously. Got out at 1550. But yeah, as you can see here, guys, we got in this sell around here.
Damn, this shit just came back down more.
Yeah, it's breaking out of the range, but it could also just be creating one of these wicks.
This shit came down like 2 more points. Damn, guys. See, sometimes it's good to get out at zones, but sometimes good to hold your winners for a while. Came down pretty good right there, guys. That's crazy. I did just call that. That really just dropped harder than we expected.
Yeah.
Shit.
It could just be forming one of these wicks, but yeah, we still definitely could have taken profit a little bit lower.
About another 150 we could have got there, guys. But this happens. We still made a profit there. Maybe buy in here, bro. But it might break down to 63.20-ish area, but kind of retracing already.
We're in a slight zone here.
Probably I feel like a sell here would work for a second and then we could hop out maybe, but maybe a buy. Ooh, shit. Nice, but we did pretty good. Could have been about 370, guys, but you can see what can be made in 15 minutes right there.
Exactly. Made about 228 here in about 15-20 minutes. Like he was saying, we're kind of at a range here. We see here on the longer time frame, for example, we have these wicks right here, wick right here. So this could easily just be creating a wick, be a quick little fake out before coming back up and retesting this range. We've seen this just forming here. So we want to see a break and hold on the higher time frames below this wick right here before it's a confirmation further to the downside.